Hey guys, Daniel here from Total Deathcore. Today's episode of Does It Deathcore, we are going to be trying out a really cool product I just got in the mail today by ZealSound. It's the k08-ul portable microphone designed for mobile podcasting. Now this video is different than other review videos you may see on the internet. Instead of just unboxing, doing a basic rundown of the product, I want to push these products to their absolute limits by doing deathcore vocals through them, raw and playing them back to see if in fact they can stand up to the test of Does It Deathcore. Now, let's give an example of why this may be useful. Let's say you want to start doing deathcore vocals at home, correct? Or maybe you want a podcast, Twitch stream, whatever. Do you want to drop $400 on a microphone only to give up the hobby after a week and never get your money back? Or are you interested in trying that $20 microphone you saw on Amazon, but you don't know if maybe it can't do anything at all? Well, here at Total Deathcore with Does It Deathcore, we're trying to bridge that gap between musical equipment, the reviews that are posted online, the cost, and the actual benefit of the product. So, $27, ZealSound on Amazon. You'll see the affiliate link down below. It's a cool product. I mean, it came with a pop screen. It's got built-in settings on the mic itself, such as delay, reverb. It's got auxiliary out, auxiliary in. Works via USB, USB-C, so you can use it on your phone for podcasts, GarageBand, and of course you can use it for anything on the computer. So what we're going to do is we're going to run it through a DAW called Reaper using Joey Sturgis's Gain Reduction 2 plugin, which I am no expert at using either of these programs, but it's just for the purpose of this video. We're going to see how we sound. Listening back, I'm using the Kraken by Razer for my headset. I have a Nexigo 620 webcam with a ring light. Links to all of the listed will be down below. And let's see how this bad boy sounds. All right. The monitoring sounded great. Let's see how it sounds with the plugin enabled. Actually, not that bad. I think if I spend a little bit of time editing it down, doing multiple takes, a little layering, playing with the plugins, mixing, we could come up with a presentable deathcore song using this microphone. And by the way, that track was created by Mix Sorely Audio, a Total Deathcore affiliate studio. They do mixing, mastering, ghostwriting, and live drums in studio recording. So check out their link down below. Yeah, guys, I think this is a solid 6 as far as deathcore goes. I think for the price, as far as using it for mobile podcasting, probably clean vocals, it's definitely up there 7.5, I believe, for the price. I would definitely check this out if you have kids or if you just want to make a couple deathcore covers and, You don't want to spend a lot of money. I mean, under $30, this thing is an absolute bargain. So yeah, stay tuned for the next episode coming up of Does It Deathcore. Go ahead and follow, like, and share this video, as well as Total Deathcore's Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram. And I hope you guys have an absolutely metal day.